Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I set up my Recollections ring bound planner. I'm not sure the size of this. I think it's like an A6. I'm not sure. It's like 8 inches in length, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure actually. And it didn't say on the packaging, so I got this teal one. I wanted a black one, but this was like the only non-metallic-y one, so I got this one. And inside, here's what it looks like. Right now I only have my header stickers, header labels, because I always try to find them and I always lose them, so I'm just gonna stick in here. In here I have like my receipts for the week. It's just for like budgeting. And I always have a pen in my pen loop. This is a Zebra Z Grip pen. If you guys know, these are my favorite pens. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you what's in here. So these dividers come with it. There's 3 in here. Like there's a beginning, middle, and then the end. And in here, I try to work with different inserts, but then ultimately at the end, I like fell so much in love with the Day Designer one. I was like, why don't I just put it in here? So that's what I did. So these are the Day Designer Daily Planner ones from Target, the Blue Sky Day Designer one. And I just got like a strip of extra paper just so that I can hole punch it here and it doesn't hole punch into my spread. And I like to block off the week by washies just so I know when a week ends and a week starts. And yeah, I'll just flip through this pretty quick. This is my sidebar. And every week is always different. I just like that. It adds a little more pop of something to the planner. And I only have it up to March right now. I don't know if I want to put the whole thing in. It's just going to take a long time. I have it to like, I think the first week of March. Yeah. And then this second page is basically kind of like everything else, I guess. So just more like bullet journaling kind of style. So this is my reading log. And then I have my sleep chart. I think this is so cool to track. I just find it so cute. And then here's my study chart, and this is just where I write in the subject and then how long I spent studying. So lastly is my cash flow, and this is kind of like keeping track of how much money I'm spending on my debit card and how much is going in. I don't really want to show that because that's kind of personal, but yeah, that's just a couple ideas of what is in the second section. And lastly, in this third divider, it's just nothing. It's kind of excess paper that came with the planner. It comes with line paper, dotted or grid paper, and then a to-do list. I don't really use a to-do list because I have a planner in it. In the back, I don't know what this is for, but this is like way too tight to fit anything in here. You could put like a notepad or something, but I haven't done that. I've only been in here for about a week or so, so I'm not completely settled in here, but I think I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep using this as my planner. It just looks so much more professional and nice. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you guys and showed you guys different ways to use a planner. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye!